All right, so probably gonna adjust, isn't it? Okay. Hopefully it doesn't. So we know it's a cubic function. We know that we have a horizontal shift to -2 and a vertical shift to -2. And then now we have this vertical compression of 1/2. So we take our function, there's our parent, right? It has that shape. We still apply the horizontal shift and the vertical shift. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to draw in a rough sketch of what the parent graph is. And now the compression means that it's being pushed on. So that means that we need to draw our graph a little bit like, if you think of it as like a rubber band, it's being pushed on, so it kind of like flattens it out a little bit. For the next one, absolute value, horizontal shift of 4, vertical shift of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a reflection, so it's going to go down. So we draw in the parent graph. Now there's that vertical stretch. So it's as if the graph is being pulled. So we need to draw it like it's being pulled. Horizontal shift 4. It's reflected. So there's the parent graph. But now it's as if it's being pulled because of the vertical stretch. So the graph looks like that. So for this graph, negative f of x means all the y values, you add a negative to the y value, so that becomes positive 3. And that becomes negative 3. Those are all 0, so they stay the same, and so there's that. Or 2 times f of x minus 3. So you have to apply the vertical stretch first. So that means you're multiplying all the y values by 2. So then we get that. Now for this, it's best to we should start with the function and then just start drawing it out. So shift to the left 3 units. So that's going to be plus 3. Vertical stretch by factor of 2, so multiply everything by 2. And then shift down 4 units to the minus 4. So it's 2 square root of x plus 3 minus 4. Versus the next one, start with the square root of x, shift to the left 3 units. Okay, so that's still, then shift down 4 units, and then vertical stretch factor of 4. So that's taking everything and multiplying it by 2. So then that's going to become 2 square root of x plus 3 minus 8.